Alright, this is for Laney. Hey Laney, I want to show you something. I'm going to show you a couple of things, but I want to show you this first. Out here, I want to show you this. Show her that real quick. Okay, then back up. Okay, that green thing you just looked at? This right here is our septic tank. Do you know what a septic tank is? Well, it's where all our poop goes. It all goes in that tank, and then eventually it breaks down into just water, and it goes out there in the grass. Well, before, if it got clogged up, I'd have to call a man, and he would come out with a machine, and he would dig it up, and it would cost me $200. Well, what I did was install this cover, so now, if we have a poop blockage, I just unscrew that top, take it off, get me a big old stick, and I break up the poop. Isn't that cool? I know, it's cool, isn't it? Alright, I'm going to show you something. This is Rocky, by the way. He's very excited because he knows he's about to get some treats. But it's not quite time because I'm going to feed the horses first. So let me ask you something, Laney. Crockett Star International is filming this for us. Come on in. No, Rocky, you stay. I'll be out in just a minute with your stuff. Okay, so you know how excited you get when your mom and dad get you a bowl and they scoop out a big old hunk of ice cream for you and put sprinkles and chocolate sauce on it, that kind of thing? Well, this is like ice cream for horses. It's delicious apples and carrots that have been in the fridge for a while, and so they're going to get this treat. So I'm going to go out and give it to them, and you can watch how excited they get, and then we'll feed the dogs, and then that'll be it. This is Rocky. Just a minute, bud. See ya. Okay. Might get dark in here. Watch them come running. Come on. Come out! Come here. Here's Lena. And here's the rest of them. They know what's up. And these are our goats, Thelma and Louise. Hello, Aris. Want some carrots? Yeah, I thought you would. Here, buddy. Oh, yeah. That's Lady. She gets her apples. This is Lena. She gets her apples. There you go. Want another one? Oh, yeah. Now, Buddy doesn't like apples, but he loves carrots. This is the baby. He likes everything. Don't you, bud? Apple or carrot? Yeah, that's what I thought. Here you go, lady. Lena. Yeah. Oh, and there's Dandy. Hey, Dandy. What are you doing? Hey, baby. There you go. What do you got your ears back for? Just be easy. Easy. Oh. There you go, baby. There you go. Okay, that's Lady with the really with a really loud toot. Did you hear that?
Say hello, Lady.
Woo! That's what she thinks of this whole process when she doesn't come here. Wanna try this? Yeah, I thought so. There you go. guys done? I got more. Want to give the goat some? Y'all gonna be afraid? Here. Elma's not afraid. Oh, maybe she is. You want the carrot? You can have the carrot. I got 2 more pieces of apple, yo. Okay. Alright, that's for you, because you're the baby. And that's for you, because you're in charge. Okay, so the last thing is to see that guy over there. That's my boy. He's been with me 12 years. I've had him since he was 6 weeks old. His name is Rocky. He's old and he's cranky. But I think that you and Jillian and Jack would love him. What, you looking for something? This bowl's empty. Alright, let's get you some. Come on. Cricket, you can stay right here and I'll run in.
Alright. It's our kitty Dandy. And he's just decided to rub his white fur all over my black pants. Much appreciated, cat.
This is for the dogs. Ice cream for the dogs. Basically it's ham and tortillas and hot dogs and what have you. So now the people have been fed, the horses have been fed, the dogs have been fed, and the cat, not so much. We don't care about cats because, you know, they'll make more. And that's it. I just wanted to share this part of the evening with you. Love you, Laney. Bye.